Welcome back everybody. So guys, what I'm going to teach you in this class, the AJAX. Okay, this is the introductory class of the AJAX, where we will just discuss that what the AJAX can do and how to use the AJAX. First of all, you can see that what is AJAX, the heading of the AJAX course. So now you can see that AJAX is not a programming language. This thing is clear at the very starting of the AJAX. So what is the AJAX? AJAX is not a programming language. Even it's not a language, any kind of language at all. Okay, what it can do, AJAX is a technique which can update and display new data from a PHP or ASP web page without refreshing the web page. So exactly, we can use the PHP or the ASP. We can't work on the AJAX without these languages. I'm going to use the PHP throughout this whole course, so I'm not going to teach you this in ASP or the ASP.NET, but you also can use the AJAX when you're just working on the ASP. This is just for your information. Okay, and we just don't need to refresh the web page. Without refreshing, we can get the new data from the database. Okay, this is the AJAX. AJAX is a mixture of the XML and JavaScript. As I said, that it's not a programming language, even it's not a language, it's actually a mixture of the XML and JavaScript, which means asynchronous JavaScript in XML. We can use AJAX either in JavaScript way or in jQuery way also. Okay, we just learned both language, the JavaScript and the jQuery, so we can use the AJAX in both ways. Okay, we also can use the AJAX to get data from the database. Exactly, we can pick up the data from the database by using some easy ways. Basically, we just use the PHP for all these functionalities, but we'll just update the PHP. We'll just get the new data through the PHP. We can deleting, inserting, reading, or whatever. All these things we can do through the PHP using the AJAX without refreshing the web page. That's why it's super perfect. We'll use MySQL as database, okay, as we just used the MySQL for the PHP. So guys, in the next class we'll just learn more about the AJAX and how we can work on the AJAX practically. So guys, stay tuned and goodbye.